What's going on, guys? It's Z back here once again with another video, and today I bring you the NormaTec 2.0s by Hyperice. So I was looking around for a great recovery tool since I'm amping up my training. I have a 70.3 in a few months, followed by 2 marathons in the fall, and the cold showers mixed with the massage gun and stretching just weren't really doing it for me. But I do several races a year, and I feel like, you know, sometimes your muscles just get overused and you really need to keep up with your training in order to make sure that you can do the race. So if you can't keep up with your training and your recovery, it's a recipe for disaster. Cue the NormaTec 2.0s. I knew this product had been around for quite some time. I remember actually trying it in the beginning of college when I went to my first spring break training session down in Claremont, Florida at the National Training Center. My coach actually brought one of these along, and he let our entire team try it. So I had a great experience with it then. It's been several years since I tried them out, but I did know that this specific recovery was tried and tested many times before by many pro athletes. I know it works, and I really hoped that it could help me out with where I currently am in my training regimen. If you don't know what these are, essentially the way they function is in a similar fashion to a blood pressure glove that you put on your arm when you go to the doctor's. It compresses your muscles in an effort to stimulate blood flow and sort of massage your legs. So that way, if you are sore after a workout, you can go back into your next workout fresh and you feel rejuvenated. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these and get them on so I can show you exactly how they work. Alright, so here's the actual box. I'm not going to go too much into detail because I know you want to see the actual device. But we have NormaTec 2.0, dynamic air compression leg system. Slide out of the sleeve. Alright, so it says Hyperice right here, which is the company that makes it. Fold it open, and we have a nice display here. Here's sort of the control panel. Not only is the power coming out of here, but this is where the air compression comes from. And here's the legs portion. So I'll open up these in a second for you, but this is what they look like. And here is our hose. We've got our power supply. And of course, the warranty information, owner's manual. Anything else left? Nope, nothing else left in the box. So that pretty much concludes the unboxing portion. Alright, so I'm officially here sitting in the NormaTecs. One leg is in, the other leg is in, and this is our little controller. So essentially what I could do is once I zip up, I'll be able to either give a plus or minus on the time that I want to be in these, as well as the level. And I even have the zone boost function if I want to work a very specific part of my legs more than in other areas. So if I had a lot of soreness in my ankle, I could target that area. If I had more soreness in my calf or my quads, I could target those areas. Without further ado, let's zip up and give these a try. Alright, so here's the controller. We're going to start out with a level 5, and then we're going to just lower the time because for video purposes we'll do 10 minutes, and then we'll just hit start. And I can already start to feel my legs begin to blow up. Because I hit the zone boost, as you can see on the screen right now, those few white lines where my feet are, that's where it is being focused. And then where it is blinking, that's where the current area of my legs is being targeted with compression. Alright, so once you're done, it's as easy as literally just unzipping all the way down, legs come right out. What's cool about this material is that, you know, being in these for an extended period of time, you probably will sweat, but this material is really easy to just wipe down if you've got a Clorox wipe or a Lysol. Literally just wipe it down and, you know, let it air out. Very, very easy to use, very easy to store and maintain. The quality of it for the price is definitely there, 100%. I'm not being paid to say this, I'm just giving an honest review from my perspective. And that concludes my review of the NormaTec 2.0s by Hyperice. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. I look forward to seeing you then. Have a nice day.
Simba, come on, get down.
Do you like the NormaTec, Simba? You might have to move, buddy. I don't want to get your paws stuck in here.